Hello learners, the last part is like citation, how to generate a citation for the paper you have been referred as. You can just type in a Google Scholar the title of a paper with so and so articles. So there is a word called cite here. You can just press on it. So it is going to generate the number of format for your references, MLA format, APA format, Chicago. So you can take any of this, just copy and paste to your Word document or a thesis or a latex paper, what you are going to just do with, or with any of the documents, what you are going to prepare with. There is another method here. So in the same manner, you can just type in any of a IEEE Explorer. You can just have look in of cite this. So in the citation, you can just copy this. It can be plain text, bibtext, RIS, or it can be reference. So RIS method, or it can be bibtext. So I would prefer for going for a plain text. You can just have a author name, title, and where it has been published. You can just copy and paste to your documents, your thesis or your paper. So these are two methods for having your citations preparation for your references which have been referred for your literature survey. One thing is by using Google Scholar, another one is by using IEEE Explore. Thank you.